What's up, YouTube? This is my first ever video on YouTube on this channel. So let me tell you a little bit about this channel today. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be doing some unboxing videos and some regular thrifting videos, maybe some garage sale finds, some thrifting finds, and different stuff that I sell on eBay. Also, for my personal collection, as you can see, I'm a Funko Pop collector. I also collect a few Transformers, got some Marvel over here that I collect. So let's go ahead and jump right into this unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the BAM box. So I subscribed last month to the BAM box, my first ever month, and it was a pretty good box. I got an autograph pop out of it and an autograph photo or lithograph of Captain Marvel and just some different stuff. So this is my second month of the BAM box. So let's jump right into it and see what we got this month. Okay, see, the first thing we got, we'll look at this a little bit later. Ooh, look at this. Thanos. This is awesome. There's a certificate of authenticity back there. It's numbered, this one is numbered 1049 out of 2500. That's a pretty good, I like that. That's good. That's going to go up on my wall. Let's see what else we got. We got some paper. And what else? Let's see. We got a Jurassic Park visitor badge. That's pretty cool. I'm not a huge Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. I like the movies, but I don't really collect anything Jurassic Park, so we'll just put that off to the side. We got a pop culture pin of, looks like Shazam. Yep, Shazam, designed by Tom Ryan Studios, fan art collection. It's a pretty cool pin. I'll just keep that and put it up, and maybe one day we'll see. So here is the other thing I got out of the BAM box this month. It is an autographed Bugs Bunny pop. This is awesome because I do have some Looney Tunes up on the wall back there. I've got Marvin. I do have a Bugs. I've got Elmer Fudge. I got Canine, and I got Gossamer. So I do have some Looney Tunes up there. I'm a big, huge Looney Tunes fan, so I do like Looney Tunes. And it is autographed. That is pretty darn cool. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.